All right, welcome back to another markup session. Today is Friday, July 24th, and it's 9 p.m. in New York, so we're marking up our charts. Starting on the weekly here, again, we still have that same weekly busy. Daily, still have that one, boom, still have that one, boom. Okay, so we still have that daily and weekly support, right? We have this Sibi up here, which I'm not gonna mark up because that's, till we hit that, that would be 600 points, so we're not gonna go up there. So I'm not gonna mark that up. Here is our daily trend liquidity down here, so we could take that out for our, all right, 54.50, 7, 8. All right, so we have a 4-hour Sibi in here. Red 4-hour Sibi in here, so we could mitigate into that using this support here. But for the conclusion, we'll do that later. So we only have that, essentially nothing special in here. We have that sell side. Let's see on the hourly here. No support in here. Yeah, nothing too special here. No gaps, no nothing, so we went sideways here. I'm not gonna mark up anything here. 15-minute. Okay, we do have these clean lows, so that's 15-minute relative equal lows. Yeah, that's, well, we could also mark up these relative equal highs up here. 15-minute relative equal highs. All right, but that's essentially it. So half an hour before the market, I'm not marking up anything on the 5-minute because, till 10 a.m. there's 9:30, there is still a lot gonna happen on the 5 and 1 minute, so I'm just usually sticking to the 15-minute. All right, so we went sideways here. We have daily and weekly support. The 4-hour is bearish, so either I could see price taking out sell side first and then reversing back to mitigate into the 4-hour. That would be one possible playbook today. So in that case, I would wait for it to take out the sell side and then anticipate a reversal back into the 4-hour. So that's my scenario 1. Scenario 2 is we go straight up, mitigate into that, and then look for a reversal to go into the sell side, right? Here, I would first wait for it to take out the buy side and mitigate, and then look for shorts, although this is the unfavorable scenario. Why? Because we have daily and weekly support, right? So shorting is always scary in here. If we take out the sell side first and then long, then we have the daily weekly support on our side, and we have the 4-hour still unmitigated, which is also a draw to the upside. So I would prefer that. Yeah, but these are my only scenarios for the day. I'm not looking for anything else, to be honest. I still don't like that market condition too much. So yeah, that's it. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. By the way, if I trade, I'll upload. If I don't trade, I'm either gonna make a market review or a little post or something. Yeah, sometimes I also upload if I don't trade, if it was interesting or if I outlined the market correctly and I'm explaining something about that. But overall, that's how it's gonna be. So see you next time. Peace.